Hello there! Today we are going to unbox the food dehydrator that we purchased from Lazada. It came only packed with a bubble wrap and a fragile sticker on it. The unit has a box of its own. You have to open it with a box cutter on the proper side. Here I opened it in the wrong side, so the actual unit was inverted. The unit was conveniently packed on plastic, and it's protected with styrofoams on both sides, and the knobs. The power outlet is permanently attached on the unit. Underneath you can see the exhaust, the product details, and the quality control sticker. The racks are secured with tapes on both sides. Inside the racks is the manual. It's a big plus that the manual is in English. The package also comes with 5 Ziploc bags. The 5 racks have ridges that holds them together, once stacked. There are 5 racks where you place the food that you are dehydrating. The bottom part is the base that contains the knobs, fan and heating plate. So you have the bottom base, the 5 racks. You also have the cover, the 3 Ziplocs, and the manual. And here you stack the racks on top of the bottom base. And finally the cover. The plug is a Type-C. So here we have to purchase a different kind of adapter that would accommodate the Type-C plug. You can also buy this from Lazada. Before using the dehydrator for the first time, the rack should be cleaned with water or non-abrasive detergent and wiped with a clean cloth. Make sure that you stock each rack using the respective ridges to secure them and guide you. This will also guarantee that no heat will escape once you start dehydrating food. The unit comes with 2 controls. The left knob is for timing and to start dehydration, while the right knob is for temperature controls. On first use, turn on the device without any food. Adjust it to 35 degrees Celsius and work for 5 to 10 minutes to get rid of the plastic smell of the new machine. Pressing the left knob or the timing knob will turn on the unit and start the dehydration process. When the unit is working, the small holes or vents on the lid have noticeable wind blowing out, and the sound of the fan blades can be heard when the device is working. Here we tested it with orange slices and it works properly. Just make sure that you have the proper temperature settings for this process. We make sure that it's at 60 degrees Celsius. It also works well with herbs. After drying, it is recommended to store the fruit in airtight containers. You can use zip bags, glass containers, or airtight containers. There you have it, folks. Thank you for watching. And please like and share and subscribe.